Welcome to chapter 1. In this chapter we are going to look at that introduction to conditional formatting. Under this section we are going to look at that the three parts. The first part we are going to discuss about what is a formatting. The second part we are going to discuss about what is the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. And finally we will discuss about the advantages of use the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. The first part we are going to discuss about what is the formatting. Formatting means if you want to manually change the appearance of the cells or data, it's called that formatting. For example, if you have a data set that is related with the cell, right? If you want to highlight the sales amount is greater than 2000, you can highlight by using font size, font color, cell color, border. Like that you can highlight to visualize your data for easy to read, right? So this is called that formatting, right? So formatting is involve manually changing the appearance of cells or data to improve readability and presentation. This include font type, size and color, cell color and borders, right? This is the formatting. The next we are going to discuss about conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. What is the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel? Conditional formatting means if you have a specific criteria and based on the specific criteria, if you want to highlight, you can set up in Microsoft Excel. Then if the criteria satisfy with the data set, it's automatically highlight based on your criteria you entered into the Excel, right? So that is called that conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. You can see here conditional formatting in Excel allow you to apply specific formatting to cell that meet certain criteria. It's a powerful tool to visualize enhanced data, making trends and patterns easy to identify, right? For example, if you have a data set, you can see in this data set, if you want to highlight the cell greater than 11,000, there are two cells are greater than 11,000, 12,000 and 15,000. You can see 12,000 and 15,000. If you want to highlight, you can highlight based on the font color or background color, right? So that is a conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. What are the features and facilities are available in the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel? There are 8 major specific segments it's available in the Microsoft Excel. The first one is highlight cell rule. The highlight cell rules mean if you have a specific criteria, you can use the highlight cell rules. For an example, greater than, lesser than, or between. So this kind of cells rule, right? That is called that highlight cell rules. The second one is top or bottom rules. If you want to highlight the higher value or lower value, you can use these top or bottom rules, right? The third one is data bar. The data bar means if you want to visualize your data based on your data size, you can use the data bar. It will add the horizontal bar in your cell. That is a data bar. This is also one of the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. The next one is color scale. If you want to highlight your data size, for example, maximum, minimum, midpoint in a different color, you can use this color scale to highlight the cell based on your criteria. The next one is icon set. You can use the icon such as stoplight or direction, or you can use the rating to highlight the cell, right? So that is the icon sets. The next one is new rule. If you have new rule or if you want to create the new functions of formula, and based on the functions and formula If you want to highlight, you can use the new rule. That is a custom rules or unique rule or unique condition. If you have, you can use this new rule. The next one is clear rule. If you want to remove your conditional formatting from your selected cell or entire sheet, you can use this clear rule. Manage rule mean if you want to edit or delete or reorder your rule, you can use this manage rule. So these are the major 8 element or 8 segment in the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, right? Next we are going to look at that the advantages of use a conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. The first one is highlight important data trends. It means that if you want to highlight your data, important data, you can use the conditional formatting, right? And the second one is improve the readability and data analysis. You know well that conditional formatting means you can change the font color, font size, background color. So it will increase your readability and analyzes your data, right? That is the second advantages. And third advantages is enhance data visualization, right? You can easy to recognize and differentiate your data from the data set. It's visualize your data and enhance your data visualization also, right? And the fourth one is better decision making. Better decision making mean based on your highlighted cell, right? Based on your highlighted cell, you can take important decision from your highlighted data set. So this is why we can say that better decision making we can make from the conditional formatting, right? The fifth one is improved accuracy, right? Improved accuracy mean if you have a data set, it has a one of the data is expiration date, right? So if you want to highlight the expiration date, you can highlight. So if you highlight that expiration date, you can take a right decision. At the same time, you are able to maintain an accuracy of your data set. So that is why we can say that improved accuracy. The sixth one is time saving. If you manually enter the format one by one, it takes a lot of time. But if you put the conditional, if you put the condition or specific criteria in Microsoft Excel, it's automatically highlight if the criteria satisfied, right? So it's saving our time. So that is called that time saving. The seventh one is flexible customization option. It means that if you enter the specific criteria and if you want to edit the formulas or functions or customs formula, you are able to do it, right? And also you can create your own unique or your own customized formulas and function by using conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. That is why it's called flexible customization option. The final one is dynamic update. Dynamic update means it's automatically update. If the value is satisfied with your criteria and if you change the value based on your value, if it is satisfied, it will automatically highlight. Alright, so these are the major 8 features available in the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel.